Amazon is the largest marketplace for e-commerce business. There are millions of sellers selling their products regularly in this marketplace. On Amazon, sometimes sellers face some issues in selling their products. Potential high price error is one of them. Amazon detects potential pricing error based on several factors. They are legal or compliance issues, marketplace fair policies, and the featured offer price, buy box. Hi, your host Anun is here. So get up and grab a seat. Welcome to a brand new session of Boost on Amazon. In this video, we will discuss in detail how to fix potential pricing error on Amazon. Wait, are you streaming this video without subscribing to our YouTube channel? Don't do that. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel Boost on Amazon and hit the bell icon to get more videos on Amazon. What is a potential pricing error on Amazon? A potential pricing error is just an alert from Amazon, but your product remains detected before you fix it. On 14 January 2015, Amazon introduced safety measures to reduce price error risk to seller and avoid negative customer experiences. When Amazon detects potential pricing errors in your listings, they will notify you. In more serious cases, Amazon deactivates the affected listings to avoid a potential negative customer experience. If Amazon's algorithm believes listings are priced too low or too high. Why do high pricing alerts happen and what they are? When you are selling with fulfillment by Amazon, you can use the benefits of the pricing leverage fulfillment by Amazon offers. As you normally price significantly above the lowest merchant fulfilled offer, then you can see the listings has been deactivated. Amazon gives the reason potential high pricing error. Sometimes this can happen to hundreds of listings at once. It starts when you noticed an email from Amazon like this. Amazon had detected potential pricing errors in your Amazon product listings. They had deactivated the listings mentioned at the bottom of this message to prevent any negative customer experience. Or you see your standard inventory page explode into this and the dreaded high pricing error is annoying. Why do high pricing error happen? First of all, you're not doing anything wrong. Amazon's insane algorithm detects your price may be mistakenly high and deactivates the listing. Amazon notifies you to fix your error on the fixed price alert page. Ostensibly, they are trying to protect the customer from price gouging or a negative experience and protect you from your error by taking down your listing so you can price it competitively. Now a question might arise in your mind: how to fix potential high pricing error? This is the solution you will see in seller forum. The reason people report this solution doesn't work is that they aren't persistent enough. This often only works if you repeat the process many times, often 4 times, 5 times or more. It's counterintuitive to do the same thing repeatedly and expect a different result. But eventually you should get a different result. Persistence is key. Okay, now it's time to jump into the steps to fixing high potential pricing error alert, and you can follow these steps to fixing this issue, such as double check your price, add a maximum and minimum price, tweak your price, open a support ticket, escalate the case to a supervisor, your AMZSC has a glitch, lower your price and move on. But we can show you the most easy and convenient steps to resolve this issue. So let's dive into the process. At the very beginning, log into your Amazon Seller Central account. Secondly, now click on the Price Alert tab from the Manage Inventory. After that, click on the Inactive Options from the Inactive Offers Overview section to see all the listings that have been deactivated by Amazon because of a pricing issue. Then reactivate the items. First, set a minimum price, a standard price, and a maximum price for the item. If the standard price is equal to the maximum price, then setting the maximum price is not necessary. Finally, now click on the Save button to resolve a potential pricing error. It will take up to 15 minutes to update the changes. Sometimes it takes more time to reflect on the product page. To conclude, Amazon regularly monitors the prices of the products in the marketplace. They spot pricing practices that may harm a customer's trust. Listings deactivated for potential pricing errors are very annoying, but fixing high pricing errors is easy enough. We hope you can easily fix the potential high pricing error by following our instruction. If you have any questions, please let us know in the comment section. We're always here to answer your queries. Please don't forget to like, comment and share this video with your Amazon society. Till then, stay safe, stay with us, goodbye.